seni ya Ndizi TV nebiro bindi na nditogo kwaligania asomoro video ubwinse yubonchelia elire togo kumanya aliagende togo kolekana ase sector yo mwanchi mulire ngo kwaligani bene elinde togo sanga gochaka bona iga wika omwelire trene Frida Kerubo asinsemo chiche mitandao asinsemo ya Facebook na bakanda gutogo yatia wetera Ndizi TV News Digital abiga sensemeri ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News oiga sensemeri ya website gwetera www.ndizitv.net mwanchumuli tengere bageri ya bene kwaligania abageni ase studio batumanye na kibakuru kwa ningi bagokora kuruiga sorobongo rwausi elinde tobeto busanga asobwamo ase omorobiriga karibu sana
asante
elchake no yorange na inche nabo kumanya mwanchumuli ele na kiyokorwa.
Naitwa Winket Gaki Kinyo. I am an entrepreneur. Nafanyia kazi hapa Kisii. We deal with cakes, we deal with fresh cut flowers kama hivi niko hapa, and also we do custom surprise packages. Kumaanisha kama unataka kusurprise mpoa wako, your wife, your mom, you can curate something, tunaweza panga na tuhakikishe kwa amefikishiwa.
Obonchire bwa gusiga okare obantu omonchori yakumetinga kinga kiyotari gukwanike gusiga
now kikisia I can nasikia kiasi but siwezi sasa ongea yote fluently. Actually some things hapa na pale might miss me but I usually get the point.
Okay. For how long already we sing?
I've been in Kisii since 2015. Nimekuwa I started as a student. I am an alumnus of Kisii University. So I did my degree there. Nikafanya kutoka 2015 to 2019. And then after campus, hapo ndo decide to start doing my own thing. But initially I just started mdogo from my hostel kujifunza nini. So by the time I was graduating, nilikuwa nimeanza kuingia kwa soko hapa na pale.
Okay. Aha no chiko tomanya asobwa garenga ekosi kware gokore yari gudilla magana yo wanchirire.
Nilifanya I did environmental science.
Okay.
Yeah. So here it's a very different topic from what I did. Basically chenye nafanya saa hii ni mambo tuna passion, what I like to do. Just something a passion ama hobby that translated into kitu yenye can earn me an income.
Okay, ya sana karibu sana si studio. Elinde tobe sanga no mwanchi muri baba na gutumanya na kiyokorwa.
Nchangoro kwa Irene Nyanchama korunyari bari masaba. Asaba ono iganguru ko office ya Youth Fund gutenera abasaye kuba kutarire byasaba ribagokora na kuba boost ya sense moye chilone ono torama wiko mwerio.
Asante sana so bikira na si studio Winket na Irene elinde tobe gusanga ase obwamo kirikinde Winket ndi wachage to mchirede
Kama hiyo
biashara yako ilianza lini?
Nilianzia 2019. Yes, 2019 is when I decided to fully venture into business. Badala ya kwenda nyumbani na kukaa tu like most of us when we are young, tukimaliza shule we just think about we go home tutafute a white collar job.
Okay.
Yeah, so I decided to start small and that is how I've grown to mahali nimefikia.
Okay. Nimetenga obonchirire no bongo montara kole unaweza jihusisha katika biashara ya kuuza nguo ama biashara nyingine. Mbona ulichagua hii ya kuuza maua na kubake cakes?
Now, I would say from an early age I used to love basically anything surrounding the kitchen. I used to love and my mom used to angekuja afunze wa mama wa area how to bake cake. Okay. So I think it is something that just the kupenda mambo za kupika is something ilianza tu from uko nyuma but I not really identified until that is what I wanted to do for life. It was just something you enjoy doing like during your leisure time when you're free. So that is how it started. Nikaanza started watching YouTube videos, some videos relating to that. So even ndo nikaanza to gain interest. I joined Facebook groups that relate to mambo ya kubake into something.
Ukiangalia unajua wazazi wengi wanakuanga na ugumu wakati wametuma wanafunzi shule kusomea kusomea kosi fulani because they expect watu wakimaliza waende wapate kazi ofisini. Maybe kwa upande wako wakati ulielezea wazazi wako kwamba kuna biashara unataka kuanzisha, walichukulia vipi swala hilo?
I would say it was not easy by the way. Unajua mzazi amekupeleka shule for 4 years, not only 4 years, consider your primary education, secondary education. So by the time unamaliza shule, wanataka wa kuone umejifix mahali na ka office, you know, most parents think that way. No, ama their thoughts are aligned that way. That kazi peke yake ni ile white collar job ama a job that pays well. Most people don't know that equally biashara pia inaweza lipa. So for myself as a young adult at the time, I faced challenges actually. Vile nilimaliza campus hivi, I remember my mom told me, unataka kubaki Kisii kufanya nini? Especially now that I'm a girl. You know, girls are usually more vulnerable. Anaweza kuwa akifikiria huyu msichana, how is she going to survive there if I don't keep on sending her money? Is she going to survive on men? Hii biashara yake anaona ataanza aje? Now actually I had a challenge because my mom really wanted me to nitoke Kisii kabisa because now I am not from here. Mimi sijatoka hapa. So I think she had her own doubts like how safe am I? How am I going to kufanya this transition into the market, into business? But all in all, I'd say currently alikuja akaona that I was really determined because me I stood my ground nikakata. At some point we had some differences hapa na pale, but with time tukakuja tukaelewana.
Pengine mbona ulichagua sasa huu mji wa Kisii? Mbona hungeenda huko nyumbani uanzishe hii biashara pale?
Yeah, you know, there's a notion that usually says mtu wa thrive. Mtu wa thrive at the mahali umetoka. Actually it's good to mingle, interact, see different perspectives, like the way things are done hapa Kisii. My much cultures zetu they're almost the same. That's why I can hear a bit of Kisii almost nasikia karibu yote. But still there are very many differences here and there because unapata hata language barrier was a challenge. The very first time I started business because mimi anakuongelesha hiyo time hata I'm not here even hata sahihi na float to so it can be quite challenging. Na mimi I chose Kisii because I already felt nilikuwa familiar na this place for the past 4 years. And I had already known Kisii and out juu. Unajua when you're a student you have time. Unaweza zurura kusijui mwende wapi. So I just identified a market gap na nikaona this is somewhere where I can grow.
Okay. Anataka ushikilia hapo tuende kwa Irene, tukirudi tutatuambia umewezaje kumanuva kwa market ambao ulichagua. Irene, tuacha sense ya wale robo mete kuikangeche nyero moro meme. Sauri ya wili keti korendo mancho mulira na bago toremereria. Tutebia sense ya youth fund basically ningi kelimo gukora.
Aratore biashara biribire ondi n'abana youth abasaye ngorwe emyaka 18 mpaka 35 nyagwaita ndi 35
n'umuganga
kwa gotire kurwa gwekero twatarire biashara twarore gap mono abasaye bange nguchandika bare singe batabwa finances bakogereria biashara byabo twa chip in na youth fund kera twarigererie bank statement yabo twarigeria how much bali viable konyora usually chilo nchito chigo chaka from 100,000 ntobwate loan yakoro ku smart loan Starway loan I mean for startup na bamo kuchabunege kundi minimum members y'abantu 5 nande asege kundi eke anda akembare bakuboringa karo wetandi emyaka 35 gogo asiekereiro yaya torasiekerero asege kundi eke 70% of the members no batakira koba 18 mpaka 35 bwekero twa tarire rende twarore statement chibeso go qualify abo to exchange contact wacho bisi ya itario DC chifomu chirogo ichori koro abwe process yagenderera paka chibesi chaso ya account ya biashara byakina.
Okay. Irene umuntu gocha ko ichibe
nabagutware kerengereri itokoroka startup Starway loan and then tobwate ende koro smart loan aso umuntu already ora so bonjoreri utagete ko bomenta
Okay, ekero muntachire kuya eloni gane metumete abantu abange bakwena na kibese kiga gusa kibese kindi cyose cy'iloni ebintu mbiroro gukorarira na buranya rumuntu yabwata amadeni amange tanya gwakana tatebingo basically mbintu kibiri mu kurgerera
basically ngorige bitore score ya CRB correctore CRB ya unga kiere maybe kwa bwate chironi previously otaranyara gwakana still no chitwara if your score is good kogenrete gwakana still ngo qualify ore loan iya kabere gotwara ore business soko nyoro kurwali social services for a sole proprietorship no bwate business permit you are valid on top of that notakeire bank statement statement ina boko nyoro kurwe bank as chibes chiago chigwetera ende twara cash flow neroro onya tubwati bank no bwate pay bill go settle number ya ebina bimono alafu twarigereri wiko tware ID ebinde bire basic
ego monto tatebonya gasikirira sense media CRB takonyara go qualify konyarelo niga
ego ikara bwati step chirichikanire akilie nande torengie ko gerari CRB ego it means singa umuntu yo gare defaulter na bwate loan somewhere agasino wakana
anyerenga umuntu berega kuri mu kichilon korwa chi sector chiga chinde lakini tarakora gwankana loan yeri acha tebenga maybe origere yo consider youth fund maybe nere chipake na tigete commentera ni kende mube mukumwanchera
kera twarigeririe score ya CRB nere gotokonya korango muntu yo as long as are in business and toro chinge potential nerororo oikanya are kwa kanero ni elitwa moire
ngoba ko ukonera kukarenga asenseme ya bega baguchakio boncherelia mwetaba sai nduni chibesa ngo chiteletwa sector yu turi chitebere libesa nabara nyaro muntu chiro batebiringa nabwate actually no boncherelia chite ko kora gusi chibesa chiri chite kuri
ngokora tore follow up twarigereri nga ngokorare kutumekarari chibese se purpose yeri atebete twa follow up ngokora tore follow up
mbaroro bataramanyo yabo gutumika chibese ichigana bego kugacha chirecord cyabo atimeti gusengo chimurimwa ba mayigelyo kegera ngambara bago so bonchele bamanye ngaki bakonyaro nene chi customer ngaki bago so agali asechiro ngora bamora mayigelyo ngaki bagwene to maintain financial cyabo
tobate training abwekero mwachiro bisiari abasae tobate training togo chamba kese group ya iner twaba train engaki eri more comfortable tobate training
wacha ba duka yako ya maua iko located
duka ya maua iko just near Hema Hospital. Chini yake there's a container in color purple. Unapanda upstairs the second shop. Utaona tu maua zimejaa hapo kila mahali. So it's very difficult to miss na iko tu along the road.
Ama wayigaye umugondo kwata usiyosi mwete gosemeru kana koi.
Hapana. Shamba haiko Kisii. We have to outsource the flowers from elsewhere kama ni Naivasha and then tunatumiwa kama mzigo na biashara inaendelea.
Ngikiangalia kwa chora nga sense miga ya maua.
Now for biashara you have to identify a business gap. Now in Kisii it's very few people that are ventured into flowers. Basically what I do is I revolve around events. Unajua kama hapa DTV if you have a party you might most likely need a cake. You might most likely need kuna guest of honor anakuja kama vile today you're my guest of honor. Now you might need something like a bouquet to present to your guest. So those you might need like a surprise package, mkate off guard, something sentimental. So basically I identified a business gap. Not to say that at Kisii hakuna watu wengine wanafanya what I do. Actually competition hapa Kisii is very high. You just have to put your best foot forward and ujitume kwa kazi.
Na upande mwingine wa kupika keki.
Now keki, I would say keki at the moment, I don't have a physical shop in town. But so long as you have notified me in advance, keki yako lazima utapata. Because kama vile Irene anasema, in any business, it comes with cost. That's why we are giving they help the youth like to access some funds, especially sisi wadogo when you don't have a lump sum mahali of money. Yeah, so with time, of course, I'm looking forward to kufungua pia a physical location in town where I can get walk-in customers. I can tell you come by the shop yourself. But for now, we organize on delivery or pick up depending on the customer nataka, because we serve Kisii, Homa Bay, Migori, and Bomet. Ndio Kisii ni hapa Central.
Ngependa ushikilia hapo kidogo tuingie mapumzikoni, tukirudi tutaweza kuzungumza mengi. Mbiyamo na wasano mwanchi muri ile bagita seni kia Ndizi TV ni watagenda gusanga email mu rubiro bwense yobonte byastagenda gusanga no munchere ya Winikit na boigo Irene kurwa a service iri ya Youth Fund abagenda tagusege kutosegeta sense mwa yabasaye na boigo gwekinya na kagenda ya gwetera asobonje yakondo mwanchi muri ile yataraswa so mutumukomoke igoto skato nyigara gwira ntarasege keke kirugusyo iri ndeto gusanga amanye.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi
ine kwabiri gukuriye kimashini chingia echura tumeka semirimo yao bono lichi buriao na lieri etuka ya Guse Star Shop ebyo gotoka emiyomo chokisi nigo yakoletere kimashini chingia